Hey y'all, what's up? It's Key. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today I'm going to be showing you guys what I just picked up from Walmart. I literally just walked in the house. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from Walmart, just some grocery stuff. And I did find some new keto items, y'all. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show y'all. So I'm going to do that, show you guys what I got. Then I'm going to put it away. And then I need to go to Ross, y'all. I picked up my hubby 2 pairs of shorts that he can't fit, so I need to take them back. And the shorts are so cute. I'm going to show y'all the shorts. So yeah, I have to take them back though, y'all. And I don't think they have a bigger size, so I'm just going to get my money back, basically. But let me show y'all what I got from Walmart. So let's start off with the keto stuff, y'all, because I was so excited to find this. Y'all, OMG. If y'all love chicken, then you're going to love this. And I tried one before. One is a repurchase and the other is new to me. So look at what I found, y'all, by Real Good. And Real Good is a low carb keto company that obviously makes low carb food. And y'all, I've tried this before. So this is the Real Good chicken nuggets. And y'all, they are so amazing. They remind me of oh my gosh, they remind me of Chick-fil-A nuggets. They are so delicious. They are lightly breaded. They taste so good. I stick them in the air fryer, and y'all, I have some of my sugar-free dipping sauce, and it tastes just amazing. So I got that. But while I was in Walmart looking for this, I stumbled across this. So this is the General Tosu chicken. And I was like, what? So I was so happy to find this, you guys. I am just so excited. I might try this one today with some cauliflower rice. So these were $6.46. And in my opinion, I don't think that price is too bad for a full bag of chicken. And I can get probably like maybe 3 or 4 meals out of, or maybe even 5 meals out of each bag. So, you know, you can't beat that with a stick, y'all. And it's really, really convenient because you can also pop these in the microwave, air fryer, or you can bake them in the oven. And let me go ahead and put this away really quickly. Y'all, I'm so excited. Can't wait. All right. Then I picked up some restaurant style tortilla chips for my husband. He loves these, y'all. He loves these so much. Here's what they look like. We usually get the garlic lime, but they were sold out of those ones, so I just got these. And y'all can see this is the Great Value brand. All right, y'all, so then we got some blueberries. I haven't had blueberries in a real long time, and I was thinking about having like some blueberries and whipped cream, so that's why I got the blueberries. So we got that. And then I also, I picked up some nails. And obviously, this is not a grocery item, but these were $1.50 on sale on the clearance rack. So I got these nails. And then, y'all, I picked up this lavish bread. And I'm going to do a close-up. But I've been hearing so many great things about this lavish bread, y'all. It is low in carbs. Here it is. Low in carbs and high in protein. So I was so happy to find this, y'all, because I do plan on making myself a pizza with this bread. So here's what it looks like. And yeah, finally found it, y'all. I was on the hunt for this. So you actually can have the entire thing. Oh no, I think half. Is it half of the whole? No, it's a whole thing for 6 net carbs. So I'm gonna make a pizza. Probably a nice old cheese pizza. Probably sometime this week. I don't think I'm gonna do it today because I want to try the General chicken today. But yeah, so I got that. So we got the sugar-free caramel syrup, sugar-free French vanilla, movie style popcorn, strawberries, baby. They smell so good. Y'all, I'm cutting back on my grapes. Like, I have graped myself out, okay? And grapes are not keto, so I've decided, like, girl, if you're trying to get this weight loss thing together, you have to cut back on the grapes. So I'm still going to eat my grapes, but I just, like, I need a break because I'm all graped out. So I just got the blueberries and the strawberries. Salad, peppers, mixed vegetables, sliced cheese, Velveeta, carb counter, low carb, street taco wraps, cherry limeade, strawberry, and grape. What y'all thought? Like, did you really think I was gonna go to the store and not get my cucumbers? I would never get tired of these, ever. And baby, they are huge. Soda water, cherry limeade, bussin'. We got some Winemaker's champagne, and we got the oak leaf red blend. I actually picked this up for a coworker. She said this is her favorite, and she couldn't find it at her Walmart, so this was the last bottle left at my Walmart, so I got this one for her. I really don't care for like red wine, but apparently it's good, okay, because somebody's selling it out at Walmart, so I got this for my coworker. So y'all, that is the Walmart haul, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff up, and then I'll come back and show y'all these shorts, because I'm going to go take these shorts back while it's still early. It's only what, 10:54, it's 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna take them shorts back, and hopefully I don't pick up anything else. We shall see. And then I'll holler. I don't think I'm gonna take y'all with me because my battery is flashing. So I don't think I'm gonna take y'all. I'm so sorry. I might vlog on my phone, but I need to charge. Like, my other battery is dead, and this one is about to go dead. So I might go ahead and record on my phone, y'all. But let me show y'all these shorts real quick. These shorts are so freaking cute, and I'm so sad he can't fit them, and they don't have any, they don't have a bigger size. I already checked that the other day when I went in there. So, but I picked him up 2 pair of fatigue shorts, and they're so freaking, like, look at these, y'all. Let me show y'all one at a time. So this is the first pair, and now that I look at them, I don't know why I thought he could fit these, but these are so freaking cute, y'all. They're like the cargos. They're made like the cargo style, okay, and they are army fatigue. So cute, y'all, and I love this color. So freaking cute. Here's the tag right here, y'all. Let me show y'all the tags just in case y'all want to go check it out. It looks like that, and look at the price, y'all. They were only $16.99. So, and again, that's the tag, and then the other is by Echo, and they look like this. Really, really cute. And let me show y'all the tag. There is the tag right there, y'all. And these were $16.99 also. So super duper cute, super cute. And we're gonna either get our money back or here's the bag. So yeah, y'all, these are gonna have to go back. Where's our receipt? Oh, here it is. So I'm gonna either get my money back or we'll find something, very much something in Ross. I went to Ross yesterday, y'all. No, was it yesterday? No, Friday. Today is Sunday. I went to Ross Friday. I did find 2 tops. Too cute, because y'all know I'm collecting these tops. They are so freaking cute. I don't feel like going upstairs though, so I'll show y'all later, because I do want to do more outfit of the day, so maybe I can show y'all the tops a little later. But y'all know the tops that I showed y'all in my last Ross haul. Do I want to go upstairs? I don't feel like it, y'all. I'll go. Hold on, y'all. So I done actually picked up more stuff than I thought. I love Ross. Like, what can I say? I'm always in there, so sometimes I forget what I be buying. And y'all, as a matter of fact, this black dress that I have on, if y'all can see, it's just like a bodycon dress. Let me turn my light on. It's just like a really cute bodycon dress. It's so cute. This came from Ross. And y'all, this blue jacket that I have, not jacket, but this blue shirt that I have on also came from Ross. I love this. I got this the other day, and I absolutely love it. I wore this to work the other day, so I need to put it in the washer. But I love this, y'all. You can either wear it like I'm wearing it right now, like a cardigan, or you can wear it as like a dress. Okay, like a shirt dress. So I think it's really, really cute, y'all. Should I turn this light off? Let me see. This might be better. All right, y'all, is that better? So yeah, I love this thing. It is so freaking cute, y'all. It's so cute. I only paid $11 for it, like $11.99. So it's so freaking cute. This is how the back is made. And again, you can wear it like as a dress. I love this thing so freaking much. And then I just told y'all the dress also came from Ross. It's like a bodycon dress. It's real cute. This was only like $10. And the same day I picked this up, this blue shirt, I got this. Y'all almost forgot I had this. But I picked this shirt up, and it's so freaking cute. Let me bring it closer But look at this, y'all. It's black and white, as you can obviously see. And it's super duper long. It's way longer than the one that I have on. As y'all can see, it has like long sleeve. But this is so cute because you can wear this as a dress. You can wear it as a cardigan, as a bathing suit cover, y'all. And y'all can see what it looks like. It is super duper cute. It looks amazing on. It looks so good on, y'all. And I just love this. Look at that, y'all. Y'all see? 12 freaking bucks, girl. I love this. It looks so good on. So y'all let me know what y'all think. This is like, I love this so much. Like one of my favorite pieces. And I have it in a size large. So that's so freaking cute. I have that. And then I need to hurry up, y'all. My battery is gonna go dead. I picked up, y'all know I am collecting these shirts. I have almost every single color in these shirts, and I found this one the other day. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. She is so freaking cute, y'all. I love these tops. They just look so good with black pants or a black bodycon skirt. It just looks so freaking good. And this color, like this dark, what is this, like a dark teal? Y'all, I don't know what color this is, but it is beautiful. There goes the price, y'all. $7.99 in a size large. Y'all, I'm trying to remember what I got. What did I get? Oh, I got a black one because I had all the colors but black, and I have so many black shirts like this, but still I wanted to get the black one because I'm collecting these shirts. They are great basics, so I got the black. And the black was also $7.99, and I have the black in a size XL. So we got it in black, which is super cute. And ooh, y'all, I didn't show y'all the top that I have like this. I wore the other day to work. It's like a Kelly green. Beautiful. I'm gonna have to show y'all again. Beautiful top. So they had the white one, and this again is a basic, and it looks so good with like jeans or a skirt or whatever. So I got the white. Y'all can see $4.99. And look at this, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell, it's ribbed, and the quality is certainly there. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on Ross, because they have like their little tops like this and their pants. Top notch. I love them. And then, let me put this stuff over here, y'all. The last thing that I got, is this the last thing? Yeah. Are some shorts. So remember I told y'all the shirt I just showed y'all, that black and white button down? I got these shorts to wear with that. Alright, and here's what they look like. They're super cute. I've seen these type of shorts on Zara, on Shein, on Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova. But honey, she got them from Ross. Okay, so as you can see, they are high-waisted. I like the fact that they have the little matte buttons on the front. And look at that, y'all. And I have them in a size large. Hey y'all, what's up? So it's pretty loud out here because y'all know I live near the interstate, and then we have the air conditioner going in the back, so it's fairly loud. I want to pitch my voice so you guys can hear me. But y'all, today is the 4th, so happy 4th of July. Hubby and I, we are just chilling, okay? I'm sitting out on the deck. I decided to pull out my decor, and yeah, I'm just enjoying myself on the deck, y'all. It is hot. When I tell y'all it is so hot today here in Virginia, y'all, this weather didn't come to play games, okay? It is hot out here, but it feels so good, y'all. I just finished eating a slushie, and the slushie was so good. I think I want to have another one, because as long as I'm eating these, first of all, I'm getting hydrated, and then I'm not so hot, y'all. So, but I love the heat, okay? Y'all know I'm anemic, so I really love the sun just shining and beaming on me, but it is hot today. So basically, I am going to probably make me another slushie and just sit out here, y'all. Just sit out here. I was on TikTok and Instagram, just kind of looking through different posts, trying to figure out what I'm going to post next. over here. Oh my god, y'all, look at my vegetables. I'm gonna come back on and do like a dedicated video showing you guys our garden, because we do have some stuff at the bottom. We have some earth boxes with some tomatoes and everything going at the bottom. We also have, what else do we have down there? We have tomatoes, we have string beans, we have collard greens, we have spinach at the bottom. So I'm going to show you guys that eventually. And this is what we're growing up top on the deck. Eventually we will transfer this over to the ground, but we just started it here, y'all. So basically over here we have peppers. Look how green and vibrant this is, y'all. I love it. Over here we have okra. I cannot remember what this is, y'all, but this and this is the same thing. And this, no, this and this is the same thing. Hubby can tell you better than me because he planted this. I don't know what that is, y'all. I don't know what that is either. I think that's string beans. Hubby planted that. Well, he planted all of it, but he didn't label this, this, and that. But he knows what it is, y'all. He knows exactly what it is. So yeah, I'm just sitting out here chilling. I'm thinking about going inside to find a movie to look at, because I really want to look at a movie, y'all. That's what I really want to do, but I don't think it's anything good to look at. And of course I want to look at something scary, so we shall see. But I'm just gonna like sit out here and chill and finish scrolling on my phone. Y'all, I'm going back and forth between YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest, y'all. And I've been having a good old time just scrolling. So yeah, y'all, that's it. That's all I'm doing is chilling out. What are you guys doing today? Also, y'all, we were thinking about riding to the beach, but we really didn't feel like it. I wanted to go to see the fireworks, but we really didn't feel like it because it's an hour to get there, about an hour and some change to get there, and then an hour back. So we really didn't feel like taking that drive, but we might go to the beach maybe tomorrow. But anyway, I need to charge my phone actually. So I'm gonna go in this house and charge my phone and just cool down a little bit and then come back out here, y'all. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Y'all, so I'm back in the house. I didn't realize like it is so hot out there because it feels so good in here. And normally I'm so cold. But right now, y'all, it feels so good in here. So I'm just sitting in my chair and I have a little screensaver on. I'm gonna figure out what I can look at on TV. I want to eat something, y'all, but I'm really not hungry because I've had so many of those slushies. Like, real talk, I've had like 4 slushies. So I'm really not that hungry, but that grilled food smells so good that I kind of almost want to have something. Very much something, but we shall see, y'all. So anywho, let me find myself a good movie to look at, y'all. So yeah, y'all, let me just do that and I will holler at you guys later.